but we feel better with our feet, right? Okay, so we do a pretty good job of the club face, so we're going to take that one out of the equation for now. Back off again, go through your process again. Find your spot with the club face because you're doing a good job with that one. Now we've got our feet, we got that reference point for our feet to aid us a little bit. All right, now take your swing. All right, now going right back to what my demonstration was. Where did we miss? We missed left. Did the ball have a little curve to the left? So what's our fault? Don't be shy. If you don't remember, it's fine. That's what I'm here for. Don't remember? Okay. Remember, let your divot tell your story. So you can look down. So in reference to your foot line, which was square to your club face at the start, correct? Because we mapped it out. Where is that pointing? Yeah. So what's our path? Just a little out there. Not really extreme, but enough. Because, I mean, we didn't miss by a huge margin, but enough. Okay? So we just have to improve on our path. We're going to try to keep the same club face action because that was actually a pretty good strike of the club face. Your club face matched your path at least, rather than having an opposite, right? And having a poor ball flight. Okay, so we'll talk our way through that. So do you feel like that's where you kind of miss?
Yeah.
On a regular basis, a little bit to the left? Okay, so go ahead and hit one more, okay, and then we'll talk about that. So now just having that in mind. Again, so let's take the positive. Nice little draw spin on the ball, right? But missing a little bit left to target because of path. Yeah, good club face, so don't lose that, okay? Don't lose the aggressiveness of that rotation of that club face. But we're going to help improve your path, okay? So go through that setup process again. We're going to use this alignment aid. We'll figure out a couple ways to use this, and I think we'll get this one right away. So all we're going to do is we're going to make an extension of the shaft line of your club. Okay, so you're just going to take your hands off the club for just a second. Go ahead and just grip that, just like you normally would, as best you can. Okay. Now we're not going to take a full swing because obviously that'll hit you right in the ribs, right? Okay. So, but just take it up to the top of your swing like you normally would. Okay. Now let's get one more into the equation here. I'll just use my club to reference your target. Okay. Can you look down and see where that's pointing back there? Almost pointing at the target line way behind the golf ball, right? We're in good shape. So takeaway is pretty darn good. It'll just get, if it gets all the way to parallel to the ground, there's where it'll be kind of parallel to this line. But for where we were at, there's your length of your swing, and it's in a good position. Okay. But now let's watch what happens. So I want you to do your best slow motion version of your swing and see where this starts to point. Okay. Try to feel your. Okay, there, perfect. Now where's it pointing? To the left. Where does that put the club face? It's starting to trend to go outside of your hands, isn't it? And have that little outside in path. So let's go up to the top again. Again, we're in good shape. This is perfect. So all we want to do is just figure out a way to get this line to constantly point at the target line the best we can, so that the club stays behind us and can swing down the target line a little more effectively. Okay? And the way we do that is we're going to try to use our belt buckle a little bit more rather than starting the swing with our arms. We're going to start with our body. Okay, so let's go up to the top of your swing. Okay, so all I want you to do is just start to turn your belt buckle back to the ball and let your arms drop. Now where's it pointing?
Straight.
Pointing at the ball or at the target line, isn't it?
Yeah.
That puts the club back here, as opposed to we get up here and then the first thing to move is arms. And there you go. Okay. So just try that a couple times. You're not going to swing through, obviously, because that thing's going to pop you in the rib cage, and we don't want that. So just go up to the top of your swing, and just come down in a tempo that allows you to feel your belt buckle go. There. You see the club traveling behind you. Okay. So if we were to extend this target line, both sides of our golf ball, can you get halfway down in your swing and have that line pointing out here? Now, your belt buckle, there you go. And then just everything turns loose from there. Okay? We'll put that there again. Now just take nice, not all the way through, but just right to where you're going to strike, okay? So that thing